Hi, in this video we will be seeing if function in Excel. So if is the conditional function. Based on it will check one condition, and if condition is true, based on that it will provide the one data, it will produce one data. If it is not true, then it will based on that it will be give the result. So we can see what is the what is the function. It allow to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expected, right? Then what is syntax of if what you have to do, you have to put equal to and if open bracket. I'll just type here equal to if open bracket. Then what is the logical test? Logical test, in previous session we have seen that these are the logical text, right? So we have equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than. All these are logical tests, right? So they will be compared with the two value and provide the true or false result. So here in if statement equal to if, and now we have to provide the some logical test, right? We have to compare between two value. So say for example I want to compare with a6. Okay, what values I should be. Okay, so let it be anything. I can use either greater than, equal to, not equal to, right? I can use anything. I'll use as of now equal to 100. If equal to 100, then what should be the value? What in B column, what should I get? I can get anything, any test value, any function, any formula I can update here. Again I want to, if 100, then just get a sum of, like I can do that one equal to sum. And what I'm doing, if 100, then sum this. Okay, I have done sum. If not, if it is not 100, then do not do anything, just put 0, right? Nothing is there. Okay, any value you can put based on that and close the bracket. So as of now, if you see, I have put 0 here. If I put 100, if you observe, it has taken the sum of this. So if a statement is true, if you observe closely, if this statement is true, like this logical statement is true, then it will perform what is the value if true, what you want. You can put any function, any formula, or any value you can update here. And if it false, again you can perform some formula, okay, or any test you can do. Then now I will enter some test here. Instead of 0, I will put like, please enter 100 in cell A6. So this will give some kind of meaningful message, right? So if I put here anything, I'll remove it. It will say that please enter 100 in cell A6. If I enter 95, value, the statement is not true, again it will. If I put 100, it will work. So hope you understand this one. What is the syntax? If logical test, whatever the if logical test, if it is, it will give only 2, right? True and false. So if it is true, what value we can put, and if it is false, then what value we want to produce. For example, if A1, cell A1 less than, greater than 8, okay, then pass or fails. Actually it should be greater than, right? A1 is greater than, less than 80, pass or is fails. Okay, so this is the one example, and here we have seen one live example as well. Now to make you further understand on this, I have some student name list, random student name, and I have their marks. Okay, and based on marks I want to show the result, whether the user is pass or the student is pass or fail. So I'll put equal to, of course I have to use if, then open bracket, I will select what I want to select, marks. Okay, what is the passing mark I should be having? So let's say it should be 80. So marks is greater than 80 or greater than equal to 80, then what value, if this statement is true, what values we should be putting. So I'll put as pass, okay, comma, value if false. If you see that this one is getting little bored, this value now you have to enter. So if you pass, then next, if it is not pass, then fail. Okay, click on here and press enter. So as of now mark is 75 here and result is fail. I'll copy and paste here across that. So if you observe, based on the value, if it is above than 80 or equal to 80, it getting pass. Here if I put as 80, still you can see that result is pass, but if I put 79, the result I am getting is fail. Okay, so this way we can use. You want to see again. So if what is the one condition, like this logical test, then based on the logical test result, whether it is pass or fail. Okay, doesn't matter, like in on your cases, based on what you need, you can do it. Okay, now another one example I have. Based on the employee, I have put some random employee and department. So if user is in the IT department, I want to say that, hey, this person will be working on this location, right? The all IT person are working on one location or one room, and another person who is not belong to the IT person, they will working on one room, right? One example. So in that case, what we can say, equal to L1. Okay, I want to test if it is IT, right? So equal to IT, value as IT, then sorry, I have to put formula as equal to if L1 equal to IT, then this person should sit on floor 3 or ODC, any ODC you can put, right? So I'll put as a floor 5. So all IT person are sitting on the floor 5. Okay, then if it is non-IT person, they will be sitting on the floor 1 to 4. So floor 1 to 4. Okay, makes sense. So if I hit enter, if you observe, floor 1 2. Okay, now if I'll copy and paste here, if you observe, based on the department, it's changing the what is the location where the person is sitting, right? So hope you understand what is it is very powerful and useful formula in Excel, if function. And if you have any clarification related to if function, please put on the comment. We will get back to on that. And next is a nested if. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.